Good day, grade 4. Our topic today is about reflection and refraction of lights. Again, let's say it. Reflection and refraction of lights. Alright? Here's our vocabulary. Reflection. Refraction. Okay, one more. Reflection. Refraction. All right, let's spell first the first vocabulary. Reflection. Okay, the word is a bit long, but if you could chop it into three parts, reflection, you can memorize the vocabulary easily. One more time, let's say it. Reflection. Reflection. Next, refraction. Okay, let's break it into three again. Refraction. One more. One more time. Refraction. Refraction. Okay, next, light. Again, light. Light, light, as you see. Incident ray. Again, incident ray. Okay, let's spell incident ray. INCIDENTRAY. Okay, we will break incident rays two, or we can break it into two. The incident and ray. One more. Spell this one. INCI. Again. INCIDENTRAY. Incident ray. Next. Reflected ray. One more. Let's spell reflected ray. REFLECTED. Again. REFLECTED. Then ray. RAY. Okay, one more. Let's read. Reflected ray. Next. Normal. Very easy. Normal. 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 Next we have angle of incident. Again, angle of incident. Let's spell angle of incident. ANGLE. OF. Very easy. Incident. INCIDENT. Angle of incident. Next, angle of reflection. One more. Angle of reflection. Let's spell ANGLE. Then reflection. REFLECTION. Okay, last, refracted ray. Again, refracted ray. Okay, let's spell REFRACTED. Refracted ray. Okay, sentence structure. What part of the reflection of light is it? Okay, the other question. What part of the refraction of light is it? Okay, answer. Is it the blank? Again, question. What part of the reflection of light is it? Then other question. What part of the refraction of light is it? Answer. You just simply, is it the blank? Okay. Here is the example of reflection of light. This is the reflection of lights. This is the original, and this is only the reflection. Okay, next we have here. If we have here I have here a diagram so that I can explain you what is the reflection. Okay, here's the torch or a flashlight. If the flashlight flash and it bounced like this. Okay, this is called incident ray. Again, this is incident ray. Next, This one is reflected ray. Again, the red is incident ray. When it bounces, that is the reflected ray. Okay, next. How about the green one? What are these? Okay, that is angle of incident for this side from normal going to the red, and or red to the normal line. That is angle of incident. Again, the other side from normal to reflected ray, that called angle of reflection. Again, let's say the words in the screen. Normal, this is the normal. This is the base. Okay, the red line is called incident ray, and the yellow line is called reflected ray. Okay, this angle is angle of incident. Again, angle of incident from the word incident. This one, this angle is angle of reflection from the word reflected ray. Okay, the angle from the reflected ray called angle of reflection. The angle from the incident ray, it called angle of incident. All right, let's proceed. Okay, angle of incident always equal to angle of reflection. If the angle is 40 degree, the angle of reflection is 40 degree. If it's 45 degree, then the angle of reflection 45 degree. Okay, this is the example. So example number 1, you can see the height is almost the same. Everybody look like the same. The angle of reflection is almost the same. And this a bit closer, the butterfly. The butterfly is floating on the river, or what we call this on the water. The reflection is almost, the angle is almost the same. Look at this. If here's the normal, here's the angle of reflection, this is the angle of incident. Okay. Next, let's try this one. Let's have a practice for the reflection topic. Okay, here. This is the laser light. What do you call of this one? Okay, that's normal, correct. And next, how about this line? What do you call of that line? This line, hope you can see. Okay, right, this line. What do you call of this line? Okay, that is incident ray. Okay, this is incident ray. Okay, this one. And this one, what do you call of this one? This line. What do you call of this one? Alright? That is reflected ray, correct. Okay, how about this angle? What do you call of this angle? That is angle of incident. The other one is this angle. What do you call of this angle? That is angle of reflection. Alright, very good. Now, let's go to refraction of light. Okay, here. Same, we have normal, is the base, but the difference is the light or the image is being refracted. Okay, here. Oh, this is the light, the incident ray, and it is this, it's supposed to be like this. But it happened that it refracted. Okay, this red line is called incident ray, and the yellow line is called, try, it is refracted ray. It's the same ray, but this one is refracted. If the line goes like this, that is reflected. But if the line bend a little bit, that is refracted. like not straight, not straight. Okay, next. One more again. Let's say incident ray, refracted ray. Okay, here's the middle, the normal. Again, the red is incident ray and it bends, so we will call it refracted ray. Next, we have same normal, but I have a flashlight a bit in the bottom and the top. The red line goes straight and the yellow line bend a little bit. Okay, what do you call this red line? Okay, that is incident ray, correct. How about the yellow line? You call it, oops, okay, refracted ray, correct. Okay, now examples. Okay, you can see if you have a glass, you put a straw and then you project like on your in front of you, really in front of you. It will happen like this. The line or the straw being refracted is supposed to be like here, but it has a water, the line will be refracted. That is example of refractions of light. Okay, next, this one, the guy is small, but when he faces the mirror, concave mirror, is like that one. His face become big, really big. Okay, next we have here another practice. Okay, this is the laser. You put something like a glass. This is the, what do you call it that? That is normal. And next, this light, what do you call this light again? That is incident ray. And this one, what do you call? That is reflected ray. Okay. Now, a little bit summarized. Look at the picture carefully. It's a little practice. Look at the picture carefully and write reflection or refraction. Reflection, copy. Refraction, like something changed in the space provided. Or you can write to a piece of paper, you can write, or you can say, just remember your answer. Okay, next. In this picture, what's your answer? Okay, again, let's spell one more time. Reflection. Refraction, you can write so that you can practice the spelling. Everybody, let's spell reflection. R-E-F-L-E-C-T-I-O-N. Again, R-E-F-L-E-C-T-I-O-N. Reflection. Next, refraction. R-E-F-R-A-C-T-I-O-N. That is refraction. Okay. Reflection, refraction. Two answers only. Okay, number one. In this picture, what's your answer? Try to write. I give you few seconds. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. The answer is reflection. Very good. Next. Picture number 2. How about this one? Try to answer. I give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, time's up. The correct answer is reflection. Okay, if you got correct, very good. Next, picture number 3. Again, I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. Let's count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. The correct answer is refraction. Why is refraction? Because here the color is correct, but the other side is bent. It's not the same. Nah? The color is changed. Something changed. So that is refraction. Next, how about this one? Picture number 4. Reflection or refraction? Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the correct answer is refraction. Okay, number 5. Here. Okay. Look at the size. If it's the same or not. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answer is reflection. The example before is small. And the small guy become big when you see in the concave mirror. But this one is almost the same. The size are the same. So it is reflection. Next. Okay, how about this one? This kind of, what is called this? Microscope. Try to answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, the correct answer is refraction. That's all for today. Thank you. Okay, student, please comment your name below so that I know that you watched the video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button so you will be updated for the next clips that I will be making.